Is your background the reason why you're not creating content as a content creator? No more worries. With these simple steps, I'll show you how to create beautiful backgrounds for your content. Let's get started. You need Adobe Firefly. You click on it. If it's your first time, you can sign up with your Google account. When you sign up, you see the space bar where you can input. You type specifically what you want, like I did a YouTube background with white walls and office table and bookshelf. Be descriptive with what you want, exactly what you want. Click on generate. Beautiful backgrounds pop up. Like, look at this background, they are so beautiful and realistic. Go ahead to choose the background you want. I think I like this one. This one looks beautiful also. Go with the one you prefer most. I like this one. Like, be descriptive with your what you want, the color of the wall you want, the kind of background you want. If it's a house, a sitting room, any kind of background you want, just describe it in that input box and it will pop up. Click on this sign at the top to download into your gallery. You will see this thing pop up. Just click on continue. It downloads directly into your gallery and it will be saved there. Now you can see it now. It will just click where you choose to download it. Download. For me, I downloaded into download. It will be in your gallery. Then you can go ahead and head to Canva. Now, why Canva? Canva want that YouTube thumbnail size. You want that size, so we go ahead and click YouTube thumbnail. So it gives us that YouTube ratio, aspect ratio. So once you get it, you click on gallery, then you import that picture into Canva. Now this is the background. Click on it, it imports into Canva. Then you right click and move your cursor and select use apply image as background. Set image as. When you click it, you apply it as the background image. You don't need to drag it, extend it. This will automatically fill up that YouTube aspect ratio. Then download this image. Once you download it into your gallery, head over to Capcut. Bring that image that has the YouTube aspect ratio, then extend it to the length of your video. Click on overlay, import the video that you want. Import the video that you want, then click on cut out. Click on background, remove background. This takes out your original video background and now it sits nicely over your edited background, your new background you inputted. Now move over to opacity to reduce the brightness of your video as you want it. You can reduce it or increase it, depends how you want your video, the image of your video to pop out or stand out. If you want it a little bit dark or a little bit brighter, that's on you. However you want, you can even add effects or filters to it, and that is how you create your own fake background but realistic background. If you've liked this video or if you learned something from this video, click on the like button, share for others to learn from it, and click on the subscribe button and join the K Squad. I am Ibiwari.